When I see you dancing, I know you're a 10. It's some kind of magic, we both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic, we both know it right away. I can't seem to deal with this, you try so hard to pull me in. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic.
She's got me hooked, I'm down a ride. Leaving, she tried to kill me, I can see it in her eyes. Yeah, she's got me shook, this mind of mine. I'm bleeding, can someone heal me? I can't deal with no more. You're unbreakable. Feeling powerful. Nothing's getting in the way. You're unbreakable. You're invincible.
Like you love JT back in '03, up on MTV on a stage wearing shoes made of diamonds, singing songs about you like a siren. No, I won't be what you seem to need, 'cause I don't see what you seem to see. Ain't got troops in a crowd all united, ain't got you screaming loud and excited. I can't ever be the Backstreet boy you want me to. I just can't measure up, no, I'm not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion, never gonna be what you want. Backstreet boy you want me to. I just don't dress the part, no, I ain't like you want CDs from the 90s, like you want Mac Clean, and I can't say to your face I don't want it that way. You seem stuck in the decade that you were born. Open one day and wake up on a tour bus headed to Rome for a Coliseum concert with thousands of crazy fans looking up at the stage at me dancing, knowing I'm your man. I can't ever be the backstreet boy you want me to. I just can't measure up, no, not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion, never gonna be what you want. Backstreet boy you want me to. I just don't dress the part, no, I ain't got Nikes and my hair ain't spiky, and we both know that I can't be your backstreet boy. I will never be the backstreet boy you want me to. I just can't measure up, no, not